Amber Connect invites you to reimagine the way you experience vehicle video telematics. With a rapidly growing global footprint and full integration into our state-of-the-art fleet solution, Amber Connect is proud to introduce our powerful dashcam ecosystem, Amber Vision. Amber Vision empowers you to reduce operational costs and provide an immersive new way to mitigate vehicle and driver risks. Amber Vision is an advanced AI-powered video telematics solution that provides high-definition real-time video streaming from your vehicles. It is packed with intelligent systems such as Advanced Driver Assistance System and Driver Monitoring System. Worried about geofence breaches, malicious camera tampering, and reckless driving behavior? We got you covered. Events are automatically uploaded to our cloud for any of these triggers. Get instant alerts and video footage when vehicles move into restricted or out of designated areas or perform harsh braking, cornering, and sudden acceleration. Our AI-powered driver monitoring system dashcams are meticulously designed to mitigate driver risks. This is done by detecting and uploading instant videos in the event that the driver is smoking, fatigued, distracted, using a cell phone whilst driving, or when no face is detected on the driver's seat. Driver discipline can now be accurately scored and actioned. By using our driver scoring and rewards module, you can reduce accident-related costs by up to 86%. You can now utilize the intelligent Advanced Driver Assistance System enhancement to deliver your drivers a trusted and reliable co-pilot system. Experience cutting-edge technology through smart events such as lane deviation, following distance, forward collision warnings, and road sign recognition to ensure the safety of your fleet through cloud video and audible in-cabin assistance. Enhance the driver's peripheral vision through up to 5 camera angles on a single vehicle feeding into a dashboard display, reducing total accidents by up to 60%. Our lightning-fast and ultra-secure back-end architecture bring you up to 9 simultaneous live camera streams on a single browser tab. It finds a perfect balance between operational cost and valuable features by storing historical trip video locally and having it accessible at any given time through LTE and Wi-Fi. With the unified dashcam system, over 200 distinct fleet management features. An experience like none other, and trusted by the largest industry leaders. Why not partner with the business that specializes in improving yours? Amber Connect. Vehicle telematics reimagined.